something a little different for the channel on today's video. I am at the YMCA near Granby, Colorado. You can see that we're camping behind us here. I'm actually here for a girls' camp with our church, and I decided I wanted to go on a little bit of a trail run while they're out and about. So we're gonna go up on top of that mountain right there. I'm gonna go show you a waterfall, some beautiful, beautiful trails. It's just a beautiful area, so I'm excited to take you along, and I hope you, I don't know, find some sort of enjoyment or entertainment out of this run. Oh, and if you're curious, I am running in the Adidas Terrex Gravic Speed 2, a shoe that I really enjoy. In fact, I like them more than the Gravic 4. Just a little bit more nimble, a little softer feeling underfoot, even though it doesn't have quite as much stack. Just a fun shoe. So, yep, that's what I'm running in today. And start. We'll see. It's a little overcast now. Maybe it'll rain. Maybe it won't. And going on this, I don't know, horse trail. This old kind of off trail, not terribly well maintained, but kind of adds to the adventure. And I can't believe how pretty it is back here. It's wonderful. And I didn't mention it before. This is going to be about a 9-mile run, and I'm running with a couple precision gels, an SAS gel, and I've got the mango flavored Tailwind in this one. I had the blueberry lemon yesterday. Both those flavors are great, but this mango one, it is delicious, especially on a warm day like this. It may not look warm because of the overcast, but it's still a pretty warm one. Definitely would be a lot warmer if the sun was out, which I'm kind of grateful for this overcast. But anyways, it tastes delicious. And it's just a beautiful, beautiful day. Okay, now we're really gonna start the climb, going up this hill. Luckily, it's only maybe a couple miles to get to the top with about 900 feet of elevation gain. Not too bad. I love it. Type 2 fun. Woo. There's the YMCA down there. Beautiful views. Only gonna get better. Oh, it's just gorgeous out here. Woo. Woo. Whew. And this is the top 9-mile mountain summit. I have no idea why it's called that, because we're only about 2.3 miles into this run, but check out these views. Beautiful. Those are the Indian Peaks wilderness out there. Just beautiful. YMCA all down there. Some more beautiful peaks out there. Woo! Yeah, this is pretty awesome. Beautiful. Hey, and check this out. There's a pretty cool teepee that has been built. Wow. That's a lot of logs. I had a bunch of lunch about an hour ago, so my stomach is pretty full, but maybe I'll get a gel and then head down the mountain and show you some beautiful, I don't know, forest, country, horse trails as I make my way over to this little beautiful waterfall. Can't wait to show you that. All right, let's get a gel, head on down. There are so many just random trails. There's horse trails like this one. There's mountain biking trails. There's in the winter cross country and snowshoeing trails, just all over the place out here. It's kind of confusing actually. So luckily I had loaded the course that I would be running from my run yesterday. I loaded that same course today onto my soon-to watch, so I can just navigate very easily where I'm going. Makes it way easier to follow the map on my watch rather than having to pull my phone out and constantly look, check trails and be like, oh, I need to get to point B right here. How do I get there? It's just so much easier to follow it on my watch with the course already preloaded. Whew, sure is pretty out here though. Really, really enjoying all the nature, the smells, sights. It's just wonderful. I feel so grateful to be out here and to be able to do this. Well, a runner's best friend. When in Rome, take the opportunity. Success. Oh, check it out. They have these watering stations. So, all right, on our way. That's steep. Done this now. There's the waterfall. Woo. Woo. That's cold. Woo. Woo. Oh, pretty cool little waterfall. A lot of fun. Woo. All right, gonna get the hat wet. Yeah, that feels good. Woo. All right, I'm gonna sneak by you guys. You guys are watching, so I can't stop yet.
Nope, all good.
Woo. Woo. That water was cold. Felt good though. Woo. Invigorating. Oh, such a beautiful area. Okay, so the waterfall was about 6.5 miles into this run, so just about 2.5 miles to get back to camp, and yeah, this is just wonderful. I keep saying that, but just fantastic. Woo-hoo-hoo. trail off-road segment is really kind of fun, kind of, I don't know, adventurous. Although there's a lot of rocks underneath the weeds, so I gotta watch where I step, otherwise I'll definitely roll an ankle. Loving the mountains clear out there. Beautiful. And there is camp. Man, that was so much fun. 9.1 miles, almost 1,500 feet, 1,495 feet of elevation gain. Not too bad at all. We'll stop the watch. Ooh, that was so much fun. I'll put the relive video up now. But yeah, getting up on that mountain peak, dropping back down, just kind of going off country a little bit to the waterfall. That was awesome. So refreshing. And then that forest, just so beautiful, and making my trek the way back to camp. Just a beautiful area. There's a lot more to explore, but I don't have time because here's the crew waiting for me. Looks like they're back from swimming. All right, say hi to YouTube.
See how you really feel.
All right, leaving this video off as we always do. Remember to be consistent, express gratitude, and enjoy every mile as I did today. I will see you on the next video. Please subscribe. See you later. Bye.